Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Check OS and ensure enough free space, because installs and caches need room. Next, back up your data and create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, enable any advanced or developer settings the removal steps require, and make sure you have admin credentials. Now, proceed to disable sync or auto-restoration temporarily. This prevents settings from reverting while you apply the ad removal tools and changes. You now run targeted removal. Install a trusted ad blocker or host file manager, because these stop ads at the network or browser level. Then open System App Controls and identify apps showing ads, force stop, clear data, and uninstall suspicious entries. Once done, reset each browser's settings and remove extensions or profiles that inject ads. Make sure to clear caches and cookies so stale scripts can't reload. If an app resists, boot into safe mode to remove it. This isolates third. You finish by rebooting and testing multiple apps and browsers to confirm the ads are gone. This validates changes under normal conditions. Then re-enable sync carefully, but restore only the data and settings you trust, because syncing can reintroduce unwanted configurations. If ads persist, run a full malware scan and inspect your router or device DNS and hosts file. Adware can hijack those. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, isolate the device from the network and use offline scans or a secondary clean device to repair system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.